Hi friends, welcome to the School of Rockstars. So yesterday we learned about how to remove a background from a picture within seconds. So less than 10 seconds. So today we are going to learn about um, sometimes our face won't be much clear, right? To use that picture on our YouTube thumbnails. So how to remove pimples or any marks or wrinkles on your face. So there is an amazing website, you can use it, and you can remove those pimples or wrinkles on your face within in seconds, like less than 10 seconds. So let's check it out. So this is the website, guys. Makeup.photo, makeup.pho.to. This is the website we're going to use. And see, for example, I'm going to select for if you want to select your own picture, click here, enhance your photo. So it will show up this one, and you can upload a picture from your computer or from your Facebook. So I'm selecting my computer, and from the downloads, here, wait, I'm taking Mastana Magadi Kannada. So she is one of the greatest YouTuber. She recently died in 2018. She is one of my inspirational people. So if you see this picture, so this is the original picture. So here you can see that see original. So when you click on it and hold it, you will see the original picture. So there are so many wrinkles here, so many wrinkles here and there. So this is the enhanced picture. So it's a feeling better now, I'm just like I love her, so that's why I took her photo. So just to memorize, what, not a memorize, just to remember her. Sorry, just to remember. So for example, if you want to change the picture, so for example, here these are their sample pictures they have given. For example, if you select this picture, so it is applying all these things. So this is the original pictures with some marks and all those things. So when you click apply, you will see this clear face. So for example, if you select another picture with pimples, so for example, it is applying all this skin makeup and all. So if you see this ones, there are so many pimples, some small marks on her face. So with the makeup, it applied skin makeup, shine remover, wrinkle smoothing, red eye remover, teeth whitening, glamour effect, all these things, and it looks clear now. So for example, if you take another sample picture what they have given, so it is applying all these things. So wait, it is processing, and if you see the original picture, she has pimples over here and it got cleared. It's now her face is very clear. So this is how you can use this tool. You can use this website for creating amazing YouTube thumbnails. So thank you guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, if you want to learn any other things related to YouTube or any other things related to your life or study purpose, so please comment below. If I know it, I will surely give you an answer. If I don't know, I will consult the great entrepreneurs. So I will consult them, and or I will make sure I'll give you the best answer I can. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.